What's happening right now in MicroCloud HOLOGRAM?
Let's see what's going on. Look at the monthly chart right there. Volume candles, the higher the volume, the bigger the candle. And take a look at the last month of October. Completely red territory and the volume has been insane. Why has this happened? How will it continue? Let us know in the comments your opinion. Remember to read the disclaimer right here and in the description below. And subscribe to Trading HD. Let's go.
Wow, absolutely nuts. And look at that, we have a nice right there. That means a stock split, and maybe this is one of the reasons the stock, has been experiencing like a huge trading volume in that particular month. Right now, let's go to the daily chart to analyze exactly what's happening right now. Exactly yesterday, Friday, last Friday, there was like a huge volume as well. Not as big as the previous month, in that sense. But, this month of November is starting like big as well.
Yeah, exactly. For a first day of November, as you mentioned, this volume has been insane. We have similar candles right here, the 9th of October, and then previously in the end of September and at the start and middle August. Very interesting, these movements. When you see that volume being traded, is because there is interest in the stock, and this volume in the lower side was something that a lot of investors might be waiting for, because this stock was going lower each day and it didn't seem to recover. You can see the downtrend right here, very, very devastating. Why do you think this movement happened right here? Guys, let us know in the comments below. And do you think this will start like a reverse to the upper part in this stock, or is this over? Let us know in the comments, because with this stock we have very, very interesting comments always.
Yeah, we have to analyze exactly the fundamentals to understand what's happening right here. Let me see. Actually, we don't have the data from like a semi-annual, so let me just load the fundamentals right here. Yeah, you can clearly see right here in the last couple of months. The previous quarters, last one December 2023 and the second one June 2024. These are the last two quarters and negative territory, and if we go even to June 2023, you can clearly see this downtrend in the net income, and that's probably one of the reasons, because normally when we have a company that is experiencing bigger losses every time they release the earnings, the stock price drops dramatically. You can clearly see right here from $2,000 to 2.65 in the last 2 years only.
Yeah, it's very interesting data, of course, to take into account from the technical, the fundamental side. Everything related with this stock has been very, very interesting during this last year, so we will see how it continues. In the comment section from the previous video, I will read them very fast. We have one asking like if the large cash position they have, about $80 million that he read, if that was taken into the stock price. We think it is. We don't know it exactly, so if you have that information, please share it with us in the comments below. Thanks for the question. And then also we have some news about it, like being a scam. Others saying that it will all be okay with time, like they expect a reverse in the price to the upper part. And some people talking about the shares that they were holding, their situation. So that's something that we want to to remember, and that you have in mind, that you can share in the comments below your situation. You can start typing right there, as it is a forum, Trading HD, honest traders. We can all help everyone right there. We always respect all the comments when you put them with, of course, respect. And in honest traders, we like to have honest opinions.
Yeah, look at that. We have here an article by Besinga. Here it says, MicroCloud said the reverse stock split was effected to regain compliance with the minimum bid price Nasdaq listing requirement. That's why they did it, And the reverse stock split reduced the number of MicroCloud ordinary shares to 20 million outstanding. So obviously, this event created like a, like a huge downtrend in the price, because normally when they do these stock splits to remain compliant with the Nasdaq regulations, it's like they're trying to stay above $1, but the reality is the company's in losses. And when that happens, it's like investors pay the bill. So in that sense, it's like the problematic thing is we need to improve the numbers. If we don't get like a better net income, like right now we are in minus and almost minus 17 million of negative net income. We had to go a little bit better, maybe minus 10, minus 7. That would be like something optimistic in a sense, but there is another problem, when we have stocks like this could be like a penny stock, and even though it's experiencing losses, even if we experience in the future less losses than today, it's still losses. So something that would be like super important and super optimistic, something that could change the price action dramatically, like experiencing like a huge uptrend or something like that. For that, we need positive net income. And we don't see it that it's gonna come very soon. Actually, I don't think it's gonna even come.
Yeah, I want to share with you, why do you think this stock could go higher, or the opposite also, why do you think this could continue going lower? Both directions always possible in trading. We have seen crazier things than stocks that don't have that the R&D profits going higher, and the opposite also true. So be prepared for everything in our opinion, and let us know in the comments, how do you see MicroCloud hologram for the end of this year 2024 and for the start and continuance of 2025. And going back to the weekly time frame, let's turn off the logarithmic scale so you can see the difference and why we use that scale, you know, because if you turn it off, you can't see anything during the last price action.
Yeah, exactly. Especially because
The,
what happened in
the daily time frame,
2024. Yeah.
that's for the record. If you put it, it's like completely crazy if you zoom out.
Well, yeah, it's completely crazy. Obviously, the problem we have experienced like huge volatility in 2023, in 2023 at the end of the year as well, and in this year in February 2024, three times incredible upturn, and maybe there is another one right here. In September 2022. So incredible upturns, but then reality comes in. The price action starts to drop dramatically. So this is like a very dangerous situation because you can follow that trend, but as soon as you have to understand that the company is not in positive territory in terms of net income, so you have to understand you can follow the trend, but as soon as it starts to fall, you have to get out because look at what happens if you don't.
Exactly. Let us know in the comments your opinion about this stock. And let's go with the seasonal section that we have here in TradingView platform. By the way, you have a link in the description below, affiliate link to use this platform with a discount. And you can clearly see the seasonals with the percentage from 2021 until 2024 since that date. And take a look at that. 2024, the worst year performance for now that we can see minus 96%.
Wow.
And then we had 2021 in the positive side, 2% more or less, 2022 minus 77, and 2023 minus 85%. So guys, what do you think? Will this continue in this way, and will this 2024, will it be the worst year in year-to-date performance? Will this change before the year ends? How do you see 2025? I think this seasonal chart right here is very, very important and very interesting, you know, like a visual idea of what happened from the year-to-date perspective in those years in this stock.
Yeah, that's the reality, guys, with MicroCloud hologram for this moment. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Subscribe.
Let's go. Thank you very much. We love you.